This is the start to the big snowstorm. And there's my foot in the snow.
On my way to pick up Mike from work, I'm leaving the complex now.
I'm pulling into Mike's work now. And he is outside waiting for me. I'm gonna get a little closer so we can see him standing out in the snow waiting for me. He's
like, honestly,
Floridians enjoy the snow. Oh, it landed on my nose.
we're not Floridians anymore.
Okay, so we are about to see how bad my car is after the snowstorm. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's time to go take all of that snow off. Just so everyone's aware, this line right here is how high up the snow went next to my car. Oh, we got it done.
So after that, we came back in and started to get him ready to go out in the snow. And actually, this is a 6-month outfit, so it's a little bit big for him, but it kept him warm the entire car ride.
Of course, when I looked out the window, it wasn't snowing, and now it's snowing again. And we have Mr. You can't see him. Mr. Man. And this is my first time driving him in this. Okay, so we're on our way to go pick up his dad. And he is content back there. Just being cute. Anyways, so
These are some pictures that I pulled over to take because I thought they were just so beautiful covered in snow, especially the trees. And I'm sorry that this vlog is so short, but since it was snowing, I didn't want to have the baby out in the cold so long. But when we got home, we just cuddled, and I decided that I'm a Floridian, so I'm going to stick my face in the snow. And that was all that we did for the rest of the day. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.